My chart of the day, GBPCAD. Elliott. Doing a quick analysis. I'm in buys on GBPCAD currently. All right, because you can see, if you saw the video before, you know what we're waiting for on the USD majors. All right, so they're not currently moving yet, but I believe we've got a good move happening now on GBPCAD. Hence why I'm even going to do this video. In fact, let's get the indicators off and all right, I do a lot of analysis on like the 5 minute and the 1 minute, so hence there's a lot of markings here. But as you can see, I'm calling this a finished fourth wave. So my next target is above this three, above this three, and the liquidity above the red line. So I'm looking for a five wave, which may even take out this here because we do have equal lows right here. I mean, I'm sure eventually we will take those out, but as of for a trade today, um, I'd have to see how price action is as we're approaching there. But ultimately, my target is this red line. That's where I'm prepared, happy to close out my positions. Okay, so just quickly so you can see on the daily time frame what we have here, and I will remove this channel. I'll hide it for now. Clearly on the daily we have a one, we could be at a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then that would mean 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 4 5 could happen, and if that happens we've got greater probabilities of taking out these equal lows in this move. 4 hour time frame, okay, it does look like a one to me, just a one, but we could have a 1 2 1 2 or 1 2 1 2 1 2. But to me, I'm seeing 1 2 3 4 clearly. Onto the 1 hour time frame now. Okay. Reason why I took this, by the way, because not too long ago it was looking shaky in here, but I knew this could be a four. We came into the prior fourth wave here. If I just put a quick count on here, so you can see the third wave, yeah. 1 2 3 4 5. So you can clearly see this is the fourth wave of the third wave coming up. Yeah, and we've come into that territory over here, right? We've tapped into that territory, this being the four here. That got tapped into. So the reason why I took this trade, the reason why I was comfortable taking this trade, we're getting a shift up right now currently, which is great, is because after this four that hit the prior four, we got an impulsive move up and a three wave move down. Here's the impulsive move. 1 2 3 4 5. Then we've got A, B, C, and this had hit the 618 at the time. I don't have it on the chart right now, but I'll show it to you. And there was a little inefficiency in there that it filled in as well. So there's the 618, the most common area for the two wave to land within. Yeah, we've hit that. Now we look like we're about to engulf this candle here. Okay. Put my EMAs on. You can see that we got to the 50 EMA. We went sideways a bit. We manipulated the lows. So stop hunt, and I'm looking for that rise. Market maker method, we like to see this, but at the same time, market maker method, we wouldn't necessarily be in this trade until the 13 had crossed the 50, the 13 being the red line, crossed the 50, and then price, as price goes higher, then price returns to it and then goes higher. But due to Elliott wave knowledge, I'm able to get into this earlier than that. So glad and happy to be in this trade. If I check the TDI, you can now see that we're going above. We've come above the 50 static, which is that white line, the red line, which is the signal line, and we're above the baseline, which is the orange line. So everything on the TDI says you want to look for buys, which I'm currently in. 15-minute time frame, actually get the TDI back as well. We've done the same thing here, waiting for this to get above the baseline. A strong close, any close above this black line would get us above that baseline. All right. Now, also, you can observe that the daily open was here. We went below it, came above it, didn't get back to it again. But what we did do is swipe that low, which was the closest low to, or lows to, the daily open. And we swiped those lows, came up, and we broke structure here, this wick, and then here, and then here. Like, it's pretty clear that we have no reason to come back down. Right, we've got a clear zigzag here, or a flat. Actually, it is actually a flat. We got a flat here, so we got a 0.886 here. We have equal highs just above here, just here, relative equal highs, and this candle has no wick, so clear liquidity above. We got a red vector candle here that is going to be, I believe, fully filled. Okay, there's no liquidity so basically, once price gets above here, there's no more liquidity until the actual high. And over here we also have an inefficiency as well. Just give me 1 second. I'm back. So yeah, there's a little inefficiency in here which makes my case even stronger. Makes my case even stronger, which is great. Might be rushing a little bit because I do want to add some entries if we get any decent pullback. So we got that inefficiency in here. Sorry about that. Let me just extend this to the right. Okay, so equal highs here, inefficiencies here, no liquidity here. The moment we take out this area, I'm expecting this high to get taken out, and that's just me looking at structure and liquidity. At the end of the day, Elliott waves already dictated to us that we finished the fourth wave, and we should be going higher. And we've got a 1 and a 2. Yeah, this 1, 2, 3 wave move is the 2, and we after that 1 and a 2, we got another 1 and a 2. So even more clarity. Okay, after that 1, 2, it would appear that we've got a 1, 2. And I'll just put the Fibonacci on here as well. This would have hit the 618. This is the one with the inefficiency, actually, that I was looking for. Inefficiency is marked out by this little white box. Okay, so that right there, 3 o'clock, was probably where I entered the trade. It is where I entered the trade, sorry. That's where I entered the trade. Getting a bit of a pullback here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 is what I'm looking at. Unless they sting us and come down here to make a deeper 2 before going up, that can happen. Okay, potentially price can do this. For the 1 and for the 2, we can go A, B, C, and then go higher. So got to be cautious of that. Give me a sec. Just had to take another partial. And now I'm gonna go into the smaller time frames and see what's the odds, what's the likelihood that price might come back down there. I did notice there was a candle with no wick in there as we were coming up. We have divergence? We currently have bearish divergence between here and here. So that could lead to us taking out this low before going higher. Doesn't have to happen. I don't know if it's going to happen. I'm literally trying to work that one out now. So what does help me is the TDI. If this was, oversold already, then I wouldn't expect much continuation to the downside. Another thing that could help is measuring the 1 against the 2. Okay, the minimal retracement in time has been covered for the 2, but at the same time, that 2 wave can easily be twice as long as the 1 wave. So we could do all this. But in this instance, considering this, hold on, how long was this 2? Ultimately, I'm bullish. Okay, I'm in my bias. I've taken a little partial, and I'm looking to add more bias. Over here, this has not hit the minimal target. So imagine we could actually go A, B, C. But time is never an invalidation. It's always a guide, okay? Um, Maybe we're getting a zigzag up here, okay? But I'm confident this low is holding for today. I'm confident that we swipe these lows here, and I'm confident after all that's happened, we've got this move up, this impulsive move up, which I'm going to look at as a 1. We've got this clear corrective move back down, and you can see it's corrective. We've engulfed it. We took out the high, and price is pushing up again, and I like it. So I've added to it, but on the MT5 broker using IC markets, we have an inefficiency here that's not showing over here, but that's fine. That's fine. Also, I've got the alert here because there's a slight inefficiency over there. When I say inefficiency, sometimes it could be, to me, it's a gap, especially if we have a gap or a wickless candle inside a demand or a supply zone. I'll be I'll be monitoring it. I would be monitoring it. Now, if we want to make a move today, this should go. This should go like within a couple minutes. It should just go up. Um, if we want to waste time, a bit more time, we can come down first. But if we go up now, still we can look for some down movement soon, before continuation, as I count a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is interesting to me that all these corrections, if that's a correction here, 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 besides the one over here, which could be a flat, they all seem to be zigzags. So it does make me wonder: are we in a bigger, higher time frame, leading diagonal from here, from this point, from the 4th wave there? Potentially, we could be zigzagging our way up like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 wave move down, continuation. I'm hoping for the 3. I'm hoping for that 3rd wave up now. And yeah, that's the analysis that I have here. We're in a buy zone. I would buy here, stop loss there, aiming to take out this high at least, and this high, sorry, at least up here. And I would aim for the red line also. Okay, that's GBPCAD, and take care. I'll do an analysis again on some stocks a bit later. All right. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Peace.